Today on this video, I'll be building a nursing apiary to put our nuke boxes for our honeybees. Now, if you don't know what a nuke box is, it's a box where we put new swarms in, whether if we catch the swarms or we buy them, or if you do any splitting of your hives. Put them in these boxes. They're small, they're not got a lot of population yet, they're kind of weak. You nurse them, feed them if you need to. Once they get stronger, build up, you can transfer them to an 8-frame or a 10-frame box. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to build a nursing apiary to put all these nuke boxes, and it's in close proximity to our house, which is right there, so we can tend to them very easily. And then once they get established over a period of time, we then can transfer them to our other apiaries. I got all the material gathered up, got center blocks and some oak 3x3 posts. And I'm going to build a stand right here in this shady area. Reason chose shady is there's not a lot of bees in the hive. It's a young hive, not enough to keep them cool. So we don't want them out in the middle of the sun to overheat. And got it facing south. It's on a tree line. Got a clear line of sight that way. And we're in close proximity to water, which is back that way. So this is a perfect spot. It's right next to our driveway, which is just right there. So we can drive up and down the driveway and we can easily see what the bees are doing. A good place for it. So I'm about to start building it. I'm just winging this thing. I watched some YouTube videos. I'm just gonna build it. And I may not do a lot of talking after this, it's just me building. So let's get to it. Nope. Let's see here. Let's see. I may have to swap. Let's swap the bricks. It's got 3 holes. It's got 2. Got some oak and cedar shims I cut to put handles on some of the boxes. I'm gonna use these as shims. Okay, so that seemed to work. I'm afraid that will slide off. I'm wanting it to slope this way so no water runs into the back of the nuke box. That is kind of slippery. I'm putting shims in these bricks so the post doesn't shift this way any. Don't want the bees to fall. Perfect. I've got a slight slope towards the front, which is what I wanted. When I get done with this, I will show a closer up video of the completed project. I think I'm happy with it. I'm gonna build one more. Here it is. Very simple. I think I can put 5 or 6 nuke boxes on this. And then all I did was just shim hose up, make it where they can't move left or right. So yeah, pretty excited about it. I'm gonna build one more. So here they are. That's my driveway. That's my house. So we can easily tend to these bees. They're in close proximity. It's very, very simple. Just bricks and a post. So I got the shims here to keep them from moving left and right. Got some supports in the middle to keep it from bowing. And that's it. Got a little path right here we can easily walk through. And then I got it sloped that way so water doesn't roll into the nuke box. And I think I can probably fit 6 hives here, maybe 7. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it. So I'm calling this one a wrap. If you liked the video, hit that like button. Better yet, subscribe. See you on the next one.